Have you ever questioned yourself, why were you born? Have you? Have you ever asked yourself, why were you brought to this world despite of this world having more than billion people? Why are you among them? Have you? Have you ever asked yourself, what is the purpose of your life in this beautiful world? Have you? Have you ever asked yourself, what is your purpose? What is that purpose? What are you supposed to complete? What is that you're supposed to accomplish in this world? Have you ever asked yourself so? And if you have ever questioned yourself, then have you ever gotten an answer? Then listen, my friend. If not, if you haven't ever gotten an answer on that question, then know that you're not living your life. You are faking that life. You are not living the real life that you are supposed to. Because if you have ever asked yourself, what is the purpose of me, of I in this world, then you will do all it takes to make sure you complete your purpose. So I want to tell you something, that the reason why you are not completing the purpose where you are brought to this world is because you are faking that life. You are not living your life. You are not doing what you are sent to do in this world. You are not. You are not. But why? Why live other person's life? Why? Why live other person's life yet there will not be any other person in this world that is like you, that has the same characters that you have, that looks the same as you? Why fake this life? Why not portray yourself in this world that they call it unfair? In this world that you need something for you to go somewhere. Why? Why are you faking yourself? Why are you faking yourself? Why are you living another person's life? But why? But why, friend? But why, friend? But why, friend? Why don't you live your life? But friend, why? 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 Why are you spending this life to please others? Why are you spending this short life to please others, to make others happy, while you yourself, you are in despair and disaster? Why can't you pinpoint that wrong that you see in somebody else? But why? But why? But why? But why can't you share the small that you have? But why can't you help that person who is next to you? Yet life is too short. Yet you don't know if the next minute whether you'll be there or not, whether you'll be in this world or not. But why? But why, friend? Why are you spending your life in that job that you hate? But why? But why? But why? But why, friend? But why, friend? But why? But why, friend? Choose your purpose. Choose your purpose. Choose your purpose. Choose your goal. Make this world a better place to live in. Please, please, friend, make this world a better place to live in. Because you don't know when you will go out of this world, out of this crazy world, out of this world that we have each and every kind of species, good and bad. In this world whereby the good deeds are underrated as the bad deeds are overrated. In this crazy world, this world, friend. Live your life. Live your life. Be real. Be you. Because know that there will never be any person that will come, who will be like you, who will be you, who will have the same characteristic as yours. And there has never been any person who has been as you, who has done everything that you have done each and every second. No, no. Live your life, son. Live your life, friend. Live your life, brother. Live your life, sister. Live your life. Live your life. Live.